In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a border to a Canva image. Now, Canva makes this incredibly easy to do. Now, once we have our image on the canvas, all we have to do is simply click onto that image. Then we can come up to the toolbar just here where we see these three lines and it says stroke style. Now, if we click on there, we have a few different options for this border. We have a solid border. Now, if you can't quite see it, you can play around with the stroke weight just like this. Then they have lots of different styles of dashed borders as well. Now, for this example, let's go with the solid border. Now, if we want to change the color of this, we simply come to this circle just here where it says stroke color. Now, if we click on there, this is where you can choose the color that you want. Now, you can choose from the colors within your canvas already, and we have some just here, like that. Or we can choose from the default colors as well, which are all just here. If you want to choose one, you can simply just click onto that color, like that. Or we can even add gradients by choosing one of these default ones just here. Now let's go back one like that. Now you can also use any hex code for any color as well. And then to add that, we'd simply click onto the add a new color just like this, and then we can plug it in there. Now, if there's a color on the canvas that you really want to use, you can simply click on pick a color by using this eyedropper and then choosing any color that we want, just like that. Now here we have two different tabs. So this is the solid color and the gradient. If we click on the gradient, this is where you can play around with the gradient styles and also add more gradient colors if you want to. Now, there's one more thing that we can do as well with this border. We can actually round the corners. Now, to do this, we simply click onto the image, come up to here to where it says corner rounding, and we can play around with this bar, increasing it or decreasing it to getting it exactly where we want, just like that. But nonetheless, that's just how simple it is to add a border to a Canva image. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, well, watch this playlist just here, which is packed full of Canva tutorials.